I'm gonna help Aaron get out of here a little bit.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. We're sitting outside the Adobe ruins. Today we're taking an adventure to the Adobe ruins and to the Wandering Jew mine. This is in southern Arizona. So come with us.
Do you want to air down at all?
Yeah, I was thinking about that. We should air down the car. Probably.
Maybe just a little?
Yeah. I was just looking for a spot where we could do that, where it's not.
Right there?
Yeah, that's probably perfect. Yeah, because this looks kind of like just where two roads merged. What's that road look like? Okay. So we didn't turn, right?
No.
Okay. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch out, Finn.
I'd like to disconnect too.
Stay here for a minute.
We stopped to see this sign, and yeah, do you want to read this sign to me?
There's nothing there.
Yep.
Forest Service 143 road.
They probably came down one of the side roads there. But it's okay. You want to take them with us? Walk together?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, I think we should.
Oh, these okay?
Yeah. A regular car. It had to be stolen or something. In the early 1900s, in a quiet location high up in the Santa Rita Mountains, a small silver mining town called El Plomo was established. The town quickly grew and was later renamed Alto, reflecting the impressive elevation of the mines in the area. All that is left of the town today is the Adobe ruins and a small family cemetery. All right, Gidge, point to the top of the Adobe ruin. Okay. My understanding is that this used to be a post office and a few other buildings, and that they were done away with during the Indian Wars. The ruins of the Adobe buildings are what's left of the home of Josiah and Minnie Bond. One room of the house served as the town's post office, and Minnie was the first female postmaster in the United States. Minnie sadly died after being struck by lightning in 1922. After Minnie's death, Josiah took over as postmaster for the town. The post office was in operation from 1907 until it eventually closed in 1933, signifying the official end of the once successful town of Alto. Josiah and Minnie Bond are both buried in the Alto Cemetery. try to include all that in the video.
Okay.
That's really crazy because I didn't even know that was. Yeah. Mine hazard, no trespassing. Maybe that's a mine.
I'm gonna help Aaron get out of here a little bit.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.
So, here we go.
And turn on that notification button so you can be the first one to see it when it posts.